Just got a fresh pair of Bruno Marcs. I have this same shoe in white, but these are black. Let me show you the unboxing and I'll put them on and I will run around the pool in them. But I can tell you right now, these are comfortable because again, I have the white ones. So there is the shoe. Oh, a little bit of packing material on it. There's the shoe right there. This one comes in black with some gray trim on the back. And they are very, very lightweight and very, very breathable. In fact, like right here, you can hear that, feel that. It is really comfortable. All right, this is my dog Daphne. Come here. She needs to move through the shot. Keep moving, keep moving. All right, so back to the shoe. Insole is quite cushioned. I would say like 7.5, 8 out of 10. The sole itself is a big old chunky sole and you feel it. You feel that bend as you walk, very comfortable. But in this part right here is super breathable and lightweight. You just see how it just kind of moves, that fabric. It does have a toe cap here as well as reinforced pleather or leather, fake leather or whatever right there, so, or plastic or whatever it is. So it's gonna keep up from getting scuffs. All right, grip looks, I would just say average. And that's not a bad thing. That's just what you'd expect from a tennis shoe. And then, but you can tell it's just really, really soft. So let me throw these on and I will go for a lap or two around the pool. These are 12s and I would say, yeah, I'd say they fit right. Maybe tiny bit on the small side. So if you normally wear a 12, I would get a 12. If you kind of like, if you do a 12 or maybe a 12.5 or 12 and a half and maybe a 13, I'd probably go up. But I think I probably would just get the size that, because it's a true to fit. But if you had to, go up, not down. All right, let's get these on. Put this other one on. And let's go a couple laps. These are from Bruno Marc. And I have worn many a Bruno Marc over the years, and I like them, especially because they're affordable. Now, obviously, I would not wear these socks with this shoe, but for video purposes and right out of the box purposes, we're gonna do it. So I like Bruno Marc. They are a good shoe, and when you factor in the affordability, they are a great shoe because they are very affordable. All right, let's flip this around. And let's go for a stroll. Okay. So I don't have a lot of tennis shoes anymore. So that's why I was wanting these in the white pair. And so I'm not doing a whole lot of running these days. So I probably will not be running in these. So I'm just reviewing these strictly for just a fashion just everyday wear shoe. Comfortability is, I'd say, a 7 out of 10. It is cushioned quite well, but it's not over the top. Grip, ooh, that's a lot more grip than I thought. A lot of grip. That's surprising. It's really surprising. Yeah, it's got a great grip. I thought these were identical to the white ones I have, but I actually think they may be a little bit different because these feel a little stiffer, but not in a bad way. In fact, all shoes are going to loosen up, but they just feel a little bit stiffer, a little bit more, little hardened in the plastic, especially underneath the foot. But as far as the comfort goes, it's good. As far as the collar, it's very soft. It's not rubbing at all. Of course, I am wearing socks, but like, it feels very comfortable. And they typically only get more comfortable as you wear them. So I like these. All right, so if you need just a standard black tennis shoe, I would certainly consider these. Again, Bruno Marc. They typically do not fail you, and these are no exception. So, good shoe. All right, have a great day. Hope it helps.